Work from home. If you really know what you can do, work at home online jobs may be the right choice for anyone who wants to spend more time at home. These jobs not only provide you the comfort of your home, but also help you beat the recession. The gaining popularity of work from home jobs has always attracted many, as you are free to make as much money as you want. There are many scams coming up on the internet every day offering that you can make $1,000 to $5,000 per month. Yes, they are all scams. I too was desperately looking for work at home online jobs, but they all seemed absolute scams. With all those scams, it was hard finding one job, but now everything turned out good. Now I am earning a reasonable amount of money. With the charm of the internet, there are thousands of legitimate work at home jobs for you to choose. But it is up to you to find the right one for you. There are numerous online jobs like online data entry jobs, freelance writing jobs, affiliate marketing, resume writing jobs, typing jobs, earn while you blog, web designing, virtual assistant job, review writing, programming, and the list goes on. Well, to begin your work, all you need is a computer and high-speed internet connection, and of course you need to have basic computer knowledge and passion for work. No matter who you are, how old you are, or where you are from, work at home jobs are for you. Literally, you need to be passionate and sincere in your work. If you wish to work from home, it is not that difficult to get a job for you, provided you put your best efforts in finding the right choice that suits your passion and qualification. Online tutor jobs. An online tutor job demands good educational qualification along with computer and internet access. If you have good knowledge and qualification in any subjects like math, physics, chemistry, or any other language, you can register in any companies that offer online tutor jobs and earn a reasonable amount. Medical transcription. Medical transcription is another work at home online jobs that provides outstanding job opportunities, though it needs some special training. These jobs demand the skill of transcribing medical records for your clients. Along with good listening skills, basic computer knowledge and good typing speed are necessary. Data entry jobs. Data entry jobs and freelance writing jobs are one of the common online jobs. Data entry jobs also demands very good typing speed, but it's more stress-free compared to others. If you have adequate English vocabulary, you can also try your hands on freelance writing jobs. You can either write article for on greater variety of topics as per your client demand, or stick to an area of expertise. If you happen to have knowledge about web designing, then try your luck in the same field. It might not be that easy to win a bid, as there will be many other designers like you who have placed their bids. So first of all, you need to build a more convincing and appealing profile to compete with others. Work at home jobs are not a myth, it is a reality that helps people earn an income provided you work hard for it like any other job. Money won't create success, the freedom to make it will. Nelson Mandela. Yes, it's true. In order to work from home, please check the link below in description to get your free training. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.